वेलकम टू लाइफ गाइडर। लाइफ गाइडर में आपका स्वागत है। ये करंट अफेयर की एक और सीरीज़ है जिसमें आपको अबव मेंशन डेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स हुए हैं जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं आपके एसएससी, यूपीएससी, रेलवे और इसके तरह अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में, उसके बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Question number 1. The Government of India sanctioned how much money for COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package? The correct answer is option number C, rupees 15,000 crore. Next question. Center is to announce how much money to focus on help for small and medium businesses that are suffering due to the coronavirus outbreak. The correct answer is option number rupees 1 lakh crore. Center is to announce around rupees 1 lakh crore stimulus and focus on help for small and medium businesses that are suffering due to the coronavirus outbreak. Next question. Kendriya Bhandar that functions under the Department of Personnel and Training has taken the unique initiative of providing essential kits to needy families in Delhi due to the COVID-19 crisis. The kits were delivered by Union Minister of Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions and Donor. What is the minister's name? The correct answer is option number A, Jitendra Singh. Next question. The Supreme Court in an interim order directed the government to make COVID-19 testing by private laboratories free of charge. Which of the following is current CGI? The correct answer is option number B, Sharad Arvind Bobde. The Supreme Court in an interim order directed the government to make COVID-19 testing by private laboratories free of charge. Next question. According to a report by India Rating stated that the fuel demand will fall up to how much percent in April 2020? The correct answer is option number C, 40%. Next question. The center has announced that is to issue all the pending income tax refunds up to how much rupees to provide immediate relief to the business entities and individuals. The correct answer is rupees 5 lakh. The next question. The Ministry of Affairs announced the launch of a revised vision of existing Swachh app. Who is current Union Minister of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? The correct answer is option number D, Hardeep Singh Puri. Next question. DOPT under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, Pensions is to launch which of the following platform to combat COVID-19 for all front-line workers? The correct answer is option number D, iGOT platform. DOPT under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension is to launch iGOT platform, a learning platform to combat COVID-19 for all frontline workers, the digital platform to train all healthcare people who fight against coronavirus in India. Next question. The Indian Railways introduced timetabled parcel train services for nationwide transportation of essential commodities and other goods. How many zones are there in Indian Railways? The correct answer is option number B, 17. Next question. The US military has requested how much fund to strengthen naval, airborne and ground-based operations in the Indo-Pacific region? The correct answer is $20 billion. The US military has requested an additional $20 billion fund to strengthen naval, airborne and ground-based operations in the Indo-Pacific region despite its battle against COVID-19. Next question. Ministry of Finance will deposit 1,000 in each Pradhan Mantri Jan Yojana account held by women in how many installments to provide help and support to the people amid the lockdown due to COVID-19 outbreak? Correct answer is option number A, 2. Ministry of Finance announced rupees 500 has been deposited in each Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account held by women for the month of April, and rupees 500 more will be given over the month of May in equal installments. Next question. CRPF Valor Day is celebrated on which date? The correct answer is option number B, April 9. Next question. Which of the following institute has designed and developed the Chitra Acrylorsorb secretion solidification system, a highly efficient material for liquid respiratory and other body fluid solidification? The correct answer is option number A, Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology. Next question. Which of the following institute has developed a series of lab-made personal protective equipment to fight COVID-19 pandemic? The correct answer is option number B, CSIR CECRI. Next question. According to the United Nations report on Economic and Social Survey of Asia and Pacific 2020, what is expected growth of India in 2020-21? The correct answer is option number D, 4.8%. Next question. Department of Science and Technology is to support and provide funding to the which of the following company to increase the membrane oxygenator equipment? The correct answer is option number C, Genrich Membranes. Next question. Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development has partnered with which of the following institute to ensure that tribal gatherers carry on their work safely? The correct answer is option number D, UNICEF. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that the ongoing national lockdown might be extended by now many days due to the threat and challenge posed by the coronavirus pandemic. The correct answer is option number B, 15 days. Next question. Pakistan announced that it is to add more sectors like agriculture and tourism in the second phase of the CPEC. What is the full form of E in CPEC? The correct answer is option number C, economic. CPEC full form, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Next question. Which of the following institute has designed and developed digital IR thermometer to help in the mitigation of the coronavirus outbreak? The correct answer is option number B, CSIR NCL.
So thank you very much. Keep learning and meet you next time with some more important questions of current affairs.